see? Bored? You got a barbecue grill too? Here, Dad, I'll take a picture of you. Smile. Nice. I'm putting you on Facebook, okay?
Yeah, this is good.
Look at it. It's perfect. Bonfire pit.
Wow.
It's so warm in there. Holy moly.
Grill, grill. They have a grill header. You can put the ribs on the grill.
Yeah, we can do that.
Inside?
We can do that.
Oh yeah, let's throw them on the grill and warm them up. Oh my gosh, that is a good idea. Oh. This is so wonderful. I'm so excited to be here. And then you can see the fish down there. Look at that. You can't see the fish.
Wow.
Dad, can you have like... Oh, we have a toilet. We have a toilet. Oh, good. You don't have to squat over the holes.
There's a puppy.
Well,
On the front of this guy.
Yeah, good. Right around here.
Is that Facebook?
Yes, Lauren Olson. Yep. She likes Martin Luther King. Come on in. Come on in. Do you have my camera?
On top of my grill.
So let's what do we need, Johnny? This is great. This is awesome.
You guys are in like Martin's in like a trance right now. I don't know where she is.
What do you want me to